Imagine if your reliable travel partner, Google Maps, is going through a transformation. It will turn busy cities into immersive experiences by combining virtual reality's fascinating power with an experienced guide's local expertise. A curious inscription on a historical site, bulky guidebooks whom AI interprets them with ease and does not require intrusive narration. This is NextGen AI Visions, where the future of humanity and technology meet. We are here to guide you through the wonders and weirdness of artificial intelligence. In this video, prepare to meet Microsoft COPILOT, the desktop savant you never knew existed. This transformative tool, seamlessly integrated with Windows 11, anticipates your workflows and streamlines tasks. Drafting emails becomes an afterthought, while complex topics like quantum mechanics are just a question away. COPILOT fosters your curiosity without judgment, becoming an essential partner in your intellectual pursuits. So, if you're ready, then let's start the video. Okay, so we've seen what Microsoft's AI can do. Now let's talk about Google Maps getting a major upgrade. It's basically like strapping on a superhero cape for navigation. Do you remember those times when you had to use a compass on your cell phones, for example, or even the compass itself, and you still find yourself lost to where you're supposed to go? It's kind of frustrating, isn't it? Well, that's not the case anymore. The augmented reality walking directions on Google Maps, driven by AI, are like having your own personal Gandalf to lead you around the city. Imagine having helpful advice and arrows displayed directly on your phone screen, directing you to your destination. It is similar to discovering a hidden level of existence where being lost is unheard of. Pretty cool, huh? And that's not all. They also have a live view feature. It's basically a human GPS system. Your phone transforms into a window to your destination, revealing not just the main route, but also the hidden alleys and routes that you can take to arrive faster. Finding your way around has never been easier. You also don't have to worry anymore about getting lost indoors too. Google Maps also has indoor mapping, so you will not get lost in big places anymore like airports and malls. All in your phone screen. Talk about a modern-day Marauder's map. And if you thought spotting a historical landmark required a dusty old guidebook, think again. Historical landmarks identification is like having a pocket-sized, omniscient historian, unraveling the stories behind architectural marvels as you gaze upon them, sans the monotone lecture. And this makes things a whole lot better, especially to those introverts that love to travel. They also have real-time translation. Having a language barrier is just not it. So with real-time, you can have a clear set of instructions in your own language. And you can finally be confident as you navigate the world with different cultures. Navigating maps and ordering food with confidence and style is such a win. All of these are in your smartphone. Now, let's shift gears and talk about another productivity game changer. I proudly present to you Microsoft COPILOT. This advanced desktop sidekick is coming to defeat a new type of villain, your never-ending to-do list. As your own AI assistant, COPILOT navigates through complex activities and turns them into chances for optimal productivity. Tech enthusiasts are notoriously particular about their digital experiences. Thankfully, Microsoft COPILOT delivers truly seamless integration, offering a refreshing and intuitive approach to your digital life. Here's the secret sauce. COPILOT intelligently understands your workflow, web habits, and real-time PC activity, all while maintaining the utmost respect for your privacy. This translates to personalized and relevant suggestions, served up hotter than fresh-baked cookies. The best part is that COPILOT isn't discriminatory. It's already free if you have Windows 11, making it readily available to most users. COPILOT is also already available in Edge, Bing, and Microsoft 365, and a lot of users are really saying it's worth it. And And the good news does not end here. Copilot will also make a grand entrance on mobile and online interfaces. Better stay tuned for more updates. If you haven't tried Windows 11 with Copilot or are not really that familiar with it, let me take you on a virtual tour. Think of Windows 11 as a meticulously crafted machine, a marvel of intuitive design and streamlined functionality. Now, picture Copilot, your brilliant AI companion, brimming with knowledge and shortcuts. Together, they become the ultimate tech duo, the Thelma and Louise of efficiency, minus the cliff jump, of course. Copilot is there to anticipate your needs, handle the heavy lifting, and propel you toward peak productivity. Let's talk about upgrading your efficiency with Copilot. It might seem like a mental weight training exercise to deal with everyday mental stress. But do not worry. Copilot may be activated by pressing Windows key +C, which launches it into action and prepares it for any activity. Disoriented in an electronic maze of files, Copilot leads the way. Do you need to quickly draft an email? Your hidden weapon is Copilot. Why would you settle for anything less in this future when you have a telepathic computerized concierge? And how about unleashing your creativity with AI? If you're an artistic person who wants to level up your abilities, Copilot is here to unleash your never-before-seen inner Picasso moment. Through its partnership with Paint and Photos apps, Copilot injects a potent dose of AI steroids into your creative toolkit. Imagine brainstorming a logo that exudes business powerhouse. Just type in your vision and watch as Copilot and its AI partner, DALL-E 3, flex their pixelated muscles. The result? A masterpiece worthy of the Louvre, or at least your Aunt Mildred's fridge. Forget sculpting clay and darkrooms. The future of artistic expression lies in keystrokes and the brilliant glow of your computer screen. Alright, so we've explored how Copilot elevates our Windows 11 experience. But they don't stop there. Let's move on to Bing and Edge, which is entirely revamped thanks to AI and Copilot. Bing's revolutionary image creator empowers you to unleash your inner creative genius. Imagine generating captivating visuals without the complexities of traditional design software. Simply describe your vision for this AI-powered tool and watch it come to life. Need to create a compelling presentation slide or a visually striking infographic? The Bing Image Creator is your answer. With its intuitive interface and powerful AI algorithms, it offers a streamlined approach to visual communication. So ditch the frustration of design software. With Bing Image Creator, expressing your ideas visually has never been easier. Just when you thought you'd seen all Copilot's magic, it seamlessly integrates with Bing and Edge to elevate your search experience. Imagine a personalized concierge service for your web searches, akin to catching up with a well-informed friend. Copilot remembers your past interests. Those nights fueled by jazz while writing papers? Copilot leverages that knowledge to instantly find the perfect jazz club near you, all within the blink of an eye. And just when you thought you would give up on online shopping, Microsoft Shopping is about to revolutionize your online shopping experience. It transcends beyond simple spending and is more like having a deal-finding, budget-conscious buddy without the dubious style advice. AI makes it simple to navigate discounts by guiding you through deals and promotions. Imagine walking away with cash after finding a deal. It's as if the world is commending your thrift. It's a sweet deal. And saving the best for last, to unlock the full potential of Copilot, they've designed a range of compatible hardware, including the Surface Pen, Surface Mobile Mouse, Surface Laptop, Studio 2, Surface Laptop Go 3, and the Surface Hub 3. These are specifically designed to work seamlessly with Copilot, creating a truly enhanced AI experience. This flexibility allows you to interact with Copilot in different ways, anytime, anywhere. How about that? We've explored the innovative features of Google Maps and Microsoft COPILOT, the two powerful AI companions ready to revolutionize our daily lives and work. The future of technology is no longer a distant dream. It's here and ready to empower us. The question is, are you also ready to ride the wave? Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and trends in AI.